the big meet coming next week, and got some folks that will do a good job on it and give me a warranty and all that. So taking the 8.6 to get the clutch worked on. Just thought I would say hi. Gonna take pictures, keep y'all posted. It should be cool. See if we can get over there without the clutch dying on us. Sorry for the shaky video. Hell yeah. Damn, there she is. Completely empty. Crazy. And what's weird is, I don't think I've ever seen this garage empty. You know, if you think about it, I'm the only one who drives the 8.6. So if I take it somewhere, then I'm not here to see it empty. And if I come home and I'm here, it's always here. Anyway, crazy to see it empty. So guys, sorry for the shaky video, the beeping noise. Trying to drive the stick 8.6 here, but hey, we got the new clutch in. Going to the car wash. And then we're gonna go stop by the detail garage, send us up to those folks. So, little vlogging it up today. Hope y'all are doing good. Got the new clutch in. Nice to be able to take a rip. Can't really do it here in Richwood though. Sure are. Spent the morning with the dogs, just chilling. Oh yeah, finally made it to the car wash. Getting the old laser wash. It's your boy Tech. After this, gonna head over to the detail garage, say what's up to everybody. Hope y'all having a good Saturday. Peace out. It's your boy Tech. Out here. What's up, guys? We got 5 little Versus. How did that turn out? Here she is. This condensation on my headlight is driving me bonkers, batshit mad. Like, what the hell? We can't have fog in our fucking headlight. Other than that, we're looking good. Sitting out here. Hope y'all are having a good one.
Feel like a brand new person.
Hell yeah. What's up, guys? Heading home from the meet. Wasn't too many people there, but the homies were there, so that's cool. Damn, the car's running great with the new clutch. Oh my god, it feels so good to do real pulls and actually have the motherfucker click. So, I'm stoked. Hope y'all having a good one. Peace. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tech. Hanging out in the garage, watching basketball. Got the bad news though. So when I got the clutch swapped out, they didn't know I had underglow, and they went to go do my clutch, and they didn't see where I had my underglow attached over here on this side, and they ripped the piece. So if you look under here, that's the underglow piece, and right there on the edge, kind of where that little, they had to take that plate off. They didn't realize I had it zip tied there, and
you know, the way a LED strip works is if you break the little diodes down in one end, the whole rest of the strip just takes the dump. So we're missing an LED strip. We're missing our underglow all the way down one side. And I was like, dang. So I went ahead and ordered the exact same underglow kit. And I thought, well, sweet, screw it, I'll have a backup. I'll just replace the one that goes down this one side, and then everything else will be, I'll just have as a backup copy of it. Sweet. Order it. Gonna get here in time to swap out before the meet in a couple days. But then the new one arrives. You'll notice exactly the same. You would think it looks like exactly the same product, but inside, and the little controller box is different. And the little controller is different. And the little connectors where the strips connect are different. And get to looking, and there's this little version number. Blah 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 00 whatever 46. And you come over here, and this one's 10900 0047 497. So they went from 466 to 497. So apparently old Opt is improving their product, and they've gotten different. So now, instead of being able to swap out one strip and be back in business, your boy's gotta put in a whole new underglow system, wiring and all, from scratch in 2 nights. Yeah, got my work cut out for me. So, gonna go ahead and set the camera up, do a time lapse. Y'all get to see me running all around the car, trying to fix my underglow. Hope y'all are having a good one.
Your blood like winter freezes just like ice, and there's a cold and lonely light that shines from you. You wind up like the wreck you hide behind that mask you use. And did you think this fool could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love in a simple way, and if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing better than I ever did, looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. And I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Once I never could have hoped to win. You're starting down the road, leaving me again. The threats you made were meant to cut me down, and if my love was just a circus, you'd be a clown by now. No, I'm still standing better than I ever did, looking like a true survivor, feeling like a little kid. I'm still standing after all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind. I'm still standing. I'm still standing. Still
Well, get the first one in there. In the front. Slow working. Keep forgetting stuff. Yeah. Memphis is just blowing Dallas out. Destroying them. Here, we're working over here. This is bad video. Sorry, guys.
Here's a jam for all the fellas. Try to do what those ladies tell us. Get shot down cause you're overzealous. Play hard to get females, get jealous. Okay, smarty, go to a party. Girls are scantily clad and showing body. A chick walks by, you wish you could sex her, but you're standing on the wall like you was Poindexter. Next day's function, high class luncheon. Food is served and you're stone cold munching. Music comes on, people start to dance, but then you ate so much you nearly split your pants. A girl starts walking, guys start gawking. Sits down next to you and starts talking. Says she wanna dance cause she likes the groove. So come on, fatso, and just bust the move. Just bust the move. You're on a mission and you're wishing someone could cure your lonely condition. Looking for love in all the wrong places. No fine girls, just ugly faces. From frustration, first inclination is to become a monk and leave the situation. But every dark tunnel has a light of hope, so don't hang yourself with a celibate rope. New movie showing, so you're going. Could care less about the 5 you're blowing. Theater gets dark just to start the show. Then you spot a fine woman sitting in your row. She's dressed in yellow, she says hello. Come sit next to me, you fine fellow. You run over there without a second to lose. And what comes next? Hey, bust the move. Bust the move. In the city, ladies look pretty. Guys tell jokes so they can seem witty. Tell a funny joke just to get some play. Then you try to make a move and she says no way. Girls are faking, goodness saking. They want a man who brings home the bacon. Got no money and you got no car, then you got no woman. And there you are. Some girls are sadistic, materialistic. Looking for a man makes them opportunistic.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tech. Just in the garage with the 8.6, working on getting my underglow put back in. So you know, we got halfway done last night, and the car's still jacked up. You know, we got to put the last two underglow strips in. We got 2 in and 2 to go. So gonna set up a time lapse, get to wrenching.
To the land where it just don't stop. Trunks pop, tops drops in the front end hop. Paint flop, screens on at the bed in the zone. Yeah, it's on, ride home, ballin' at my home. Texas place don't hate, showing up in the state. Can't wait, get it straight while the front end break. Pay the cost, speed the boss, looking good when I float. Sunshine, let it down, turn it up and climb. Roll around, hit your block, trunk going on night. Let it up, let it pop, light up the whole block. Southside, how we hold on a gangster stroll. Hitting so hard, knocking outside mode. Hit the highway, cruise control, gon' let it roll. Roll up a drink, fired up and show the windows closed. On chrome, high slide, throwing up the south side. Give it in, cause they are coming down, breaking the stand. Songs keep popping, tops keep dropping. Tops drop. sitting low on fold. I'm pulling through the lot, slamming doors on buttons, and I'ma slide, slip it and slide. Pop trunk, let it down, show up in my ride. Roll out the red carpet, I'ma buy the pump. Valet, piece of change, start to stay my chain. Hit the club, show a little, tip the dancer do. Got killer in the club, roll after the club. One more time for their mind, I'ma go put it down. It's that boy fat pack, yeah, I got to climb. Shining bright, floating smooth as a kite. Trunk crack, fat pack, bringing out haters' heads. Where they at? Where they at? Before I pull up my gat. Looking good, it's understood, flossing for my hood. Taking pride in my ride like every player should. Drums keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Drums lost it. Tops drop. Drums keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Drums lost it. Tops drop. Drums keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Drums lost it. Tops drop. Drums keep popping, tops keep dropping down. Drums lost it. Tops drop. Drums drop. Tops drop. Drums drop. Tops drop. Drums drop.
Hey yo, what's up guys? Check it out. Got the underglow installed. Looking good. I like the classic underglow look, not the color chasing weirdness. And I also like to put my underglow strips like a little bit further up under the car than some people do. Some people put them right out like on the lip, and I just think that doesn't look right. I want it to seem like my engine is glowing right here. Let's cut these lights out. Stupid TV. Yeah, you know, like the engine's glowing. You know, like damn, something's on fire under there. But anyway, hell yeah, all ready for the big meet tomorrow night. Probably vlogged a little bit all throughout the day, maybe a little bit on the way up there, and obviously walk and talk while we're there. But good night, wrenching on the car. See y'all soon.